Morning class. Now it's your ABS class, Environmental Studies, and in this class we have in our previous classes we have gone through our chapter number 3, which was sense organs. Okay, so in your sense organs we have gone through the sense organs, the functions of sense organs. Now today we will go through the activity time over here. See here. See, it's your activity time in your book. Now, in this activity, what you have to do, write the names of the sense organ which is used in the following pictures. Okay, in the following activity, you have to write the names of sense organs which are used in these activities. In these, there are 4 pictures given here, and from these 4 pictures, you have to find out which sense organs have been used. Okay. So the first one, what the lady is doing, see here, she is, see what she is doing, she is smelling the flower. Okay, the rose flower she have taken in her hand. So while smelling, to smell which organ we need to we use which organ we use our nose. Okay, so you have to write here nose. Okay, now after it, here he is listening the music. The boy standing over here in your picture, given in your book, he is listening the music. So what you have to do, from which organ do you hear the music? From your ears. Okay, from your ears. So you will write here ears. Okay, now after that, see here, she is eating something. Okay, she is eating ice cream or whatever. Then in this picture, the third picture, now while eating, which organ do you make in use to taste? Your tongue. Okay, so here you will write the tongue, because she is using her tongue to taste the food. Okay, now after that, in the 4th picture, a girl is reading the book. Now how you will read the book? First you will study, then after, if I am reading the book, what I will do? First I will study by seeing the book. Okay, so which organ she is using while reading the book? By seeing and reading, which organ is here? Here is her eyes. See here, she is reading the book. Now after that, in this activity, here in the number 4th picture, you will write eyes. So we have examined which organ they are using to do these all activities. Okay, after that, there is a poem over here. I am reading. I see lovely flowers, I hear my cat purr. Okay, so I see lovely flowers. While you see lovely flowers with which organ? With your eyes. I hear my cat purr. From where you hear? Your ears. Okay, I taste yummy cake. From where you will taste? Your tongue. Your tongue is used to taste. Now which my mother bakes. In summer I feel hot, and then I sweat a lot. And now how you will feel hot? You feel with your skin. So the skin is your sense organ, so you feel with your skin, therefore you feel hot or cold. Okay, so in this in your poem given over here, in the summer I feel hot, and then I sweat a lot. I love to smell the rose with my little nose. Now from where you will smell something? You will smell the nose only. So here it is written, I love to smell the rose with my little nose. See, taste, feel, hear and smell. See, taste, feel, hear and smell. I do all these with my eyes, tongue, skin, ears and nose. Now I am writing over here. First of all, see, taste, feel, hear and smell. Okay, now from which organ do we do all these activities? See from your eyes, taste from your tongue, then after you will feel with from your skin, After that you will hear with which organ? With your ear, and at the last you will smell with your nose. Okay, so from I think you have understood what we do with our sense organs and why these organs are our sense organs, because they helps us to know the things going around us. Okay, now next, here is your practice time. Here fill in the blanks over here. See here, fill in the blanks. Kid, now I am going to read Kiara and say said saw beautiful flowers with their what? You will see with the flowers with what? With your eyes. They smelled the sweet flowers with their, how you will smell? Nose. They heard the buzzing sound of the bee with their ears. Sid felt the pain on his skin. Both of them tasted the yummy cake with their what? Tongue. Now you have to fill in the blanks, and after that you have match the column. You have to do with your phone only. Okay, okay class, thank you.